All right, this video I separated for the other one because I didn't want to confuse it with the two votes ducked into one as far as like adding on the more shares and the reverse split. So I didn't want to put it into that one, but I wanted to let you know, doesn't matter what you vote for, it's going down, and it's going down because they need those shares. You may be like, Lou, why do they need those shares? They make a movie, Avatar. Don't you remember Avatar? All right. Same article, further on the bottom. It's going to prove exactly what I said. Not because I'm some freaking guru. It's because I've been around business for a while and I can see this. Just a common guy off the street can see this. If you look further down that article, probably most people won't, it says, finances deteriorating. AMC needs the money to bolster its finances as many movie fans continue to prefer streaming over going to the theaters. It has been posting net losses every quarter since it completed a debt restructuring in 2020. What happened to Avatar? Its debt pile has swollen to $5.4 billion as of the end of September, while its obligations on rent payments were worth $4.8 billion. Remember the $10 billion I talked about? Remember I talked about their rent? Remember I talked about how movie theaters are a different species of commercial real estate? It's a totally different species. It's specialized like a stadium. Okay, that's why most cities only have one or two stadiums. They're specific, okay? It's not like a dentist is gonna rent a movie theater. Oh, wait a minute, AMC was in here. Oh, this would be a great office. Then, doesn't work that way. Only for a movie theater. So that's how that goes. Over the remainder of the lease, it only had cash in hand of $685 million as of the end of September. Okay. Campbell Harvey, a Duke University finance professor, said tapping retail investors for more money was the responsible thing for AMC to do in light of financial woes. Basically, mug us. Given that the meme stock speculators can drive prices far from the fundamental, it makes sense for a company like AMC to issue stock when management believes its own stock is overvalued. So basically, they saw people coming in for the squeeze. They saw people buying and holding in order to get on the opposite side of a mega squeeze, battling the hedge funds on the other side. So what happened? The company that we came in and we say whatever said, oh, wait a minute. Drop those shares, they'll buy them. They'll buy them at this price. And they were dumping them on us, diluting. You know the whole deal. But there you go. This is not me. I'm just telling you. This is me back then, but now this is him now. Now it's a Duke University finance professor. Okay. AMC created a preferred share last August and gave them to investors for free in the form of a stock dividend. It wasn't for free. They took the money from us. It's nice how they spun that around. Since then, it has raised more than $250 million by selling the new preferred stock. See, there you go. They made $250 million selling those stocks. They took it from our shares. They split AMC. Oh no, it's free because now you have both. But yeah, my principal stock got cut in half. All right. $7 out of the 21, I think it was. I don't know, whatever. It doesn't matter now that you know that. Some people didn't even get APE at first. This is ridiculous. Okay. Since then, it has raised more than $250 million by selling the new preferred stock, most of it through a deal with a hedge fund and Tara Capital. That's the company that used to hold debt on AMC, and they did the exchange. Remember I talked about them the other day? It could issue preferred stock even though it had run out of common stock to issue because it relied on authorization granted by its board in 2013 by its former owner, China's Dalian Wanda Group. Ha! You're going to fuck up those retail kids. Take their money, chop chop. We fucking do everything. Anyway, so how Wanda broke out? The value of its preferred shares plunged from a high of $10.50 to less than $1, a big discount to its common shares that hovered between 5 and 8. AMC said in January 26 filing that it is proposing the conversion of preferred common stock to eliminate the trading discount. And Tara also made this conversion a condition for investing. So Understand. You need to understand that little piece right there. And Tara also made the conversion a condition for investing in AMC. You understand? This is not about us. This is not about the MOAS, the reverse split, whatever. The company is in debt, and Tara was holding debt. So now Tara bought Ape. Now they're going to do the reverse split, the whole thing. That's why I said it doesn't matter what you vote. It's already being done behind the scenes. That was a condition for that deal. For that deal is that they had to put those suckers together. So going back to the first part, as far as the movie theaters losing against streaming, yo, it's mathematical fact. The numbers are there. The numbers are there. Since I've been here, I've probably seen 3 or 4 movies. I didn't go to a movie theater. That's just how it is. It's all streamed out. Now, you could say different, whatever, doesn't matter. But understand one thing. The movie business is shrinking. Streaming is growing. That being said, the fact that this whole reverse split put together, the whole nonsense, this isn't about us. This isn't about the MOAS. This is about behind the scenes cleaning that sucker up. This is a condition that the hedge fund that held the fund that held the debt on them. This is what they said on them. You got to do this, and they're doing it. Now the question is right now, are they going to do it on our backs? If you're holding AMC and Ape, yeah, they're going to do it on your back. So people are like, why are you in it now? Did you just miss what I was just pointing out to you? So there you go. Now you're kind of understanding a little bit about the behind the street stuff on AMC. But you can watch the other videos. It's going to rip. It's going to go. It's going to this. Look at the line. Nobody's telling you that firm said, chop, chop. You're merging these two suckers together. We hold your debt. We're going to buy into. Let me tell you something. I've told you from before, AMC is not something, oh, look at that pattern. There's a W forming. Now you know.